What's up, guys? Welcome back again. So the date is day 17. So the lab title is create IAM group. So yesterday we created IAM user. So today we have to create IAM group. Alright, so let's go. I was trying to click the start button right now. Alright, so to master a new technology, you will have to play with it. Alright, so before we do this, let me copy all this test right here. So we will read the instruction. So Natalia's DevOps team has been creating a couple of services on AWS CLI. They have been breaking down the migration into smaller tasks, allowing for better control, risk mitigation, and optimization of resources throughout the migration process. Recently, they became aware with requirements mentioned below. So we're gonna have to create IAM Group. So the IAM Group name is here IAM Group underscore Marian, right? So you can use AWS credentials here, and you can go AWS console, and you can use the username and the password to trying to sign in. Alright, so the applying, yeah. So the password and trying to sign in. So you can click this IAM, and after that you can create the IAM user group and create group. You can click that, and you can give a name IAM group Marian. So here and here, and you can use you can select this username if you like to add right now, and you can add the permission policy here. If you like to add a specific permission, you can select like this. But for this lab, I think we don't need to add this attach policy. It's not mentioned here. But for this lab, I don't like to create from this AWS console. I would like to create using the command line. So let me find that in the Google. So how to create basically on CentOS CLI. So we can create like this. So I will create this. So here, AWS IAM create group, and we'll give the group name. Group name is IAM group underscore Maria. So I will try to enter. Right. Alright, so we successfully created right here. This is created date. This is a ERN, and this is a group ID. It is a group name, and we can verify that by using this command to confirm the group was successfully created. So we will run this. Yeah, so here we successfully created. We receive the group name and group ID, but we didn't add the user, so that's why user is here is an empty array. So here I tell you again, if you like to add the user here, you can add this. So it's gonna be it will not be an empty array. It will be an array or user. Maybe probably one user is including right there. So but for this lab we don't need to add the user, just only for creating IAM group. Alright, so let me check that and click confirm. Yeah, so that's it. So easy, right? So your choice. If you like to use console URL, you can go there and then create IAM group. But if you really cannot to use AWS terminal, client terminal, you can use that. So no matter what it is, just to finish, just to accomplish the challenge. That's it. Alright, so thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.